Hey, the folks, got a new knife for you. I have a new boning knife for you guys. Now, this is one of my scores that I got at New York Custom Knife Show. Initially, when I saw this blade, now I'm into chef knives lately. This is not a chef knife. I mean, it could be used for the kitchen, and that's what it's gonna be used for. But this is a boning knife. Now, initially, when I first saw this blade, I thought it was like some kind of W2 steel with a hamon. This is not a hamon. These are layers of steel. This is, from what the maker told me, is a Sanmai blade. But it fooled me because I thought it was hamon. Pardon me for the light reflection here. It is a satin finish on it. So it is a Sanmai blade with a core layer of Hitachi Blue #2, if that means anything to you guys. It's a high carbon steel. Just a beautiful design on it. Just gorgeous. I mean, I was drawn right to this. The young man, the maker, I'm going to show you guys his card, is right there. Hunter Yannotti. You can pause it, email him, follow him on Instagram, Facebook. But Hunter told me that this, in fact, was a Sanmai blade. And he had a lot of knives, a lot of kitchen knives, a lot of fixed blades, a lot of folders. He even had some folders, yes. And he's fairly new. I think this might have been his second show. This is my first time meeting Hunter. Very unassuming, very, very calm demeanor. Very just a nice guy. He's not a heavy, buy my knife. He was just chill. He's from New Jersey. Before I finish that, the handle is Neptune Stone by Robert Belcher. That in itself, just the look of it, I thought was awesome. I just love the rounded contour design. It fits really good in my hand. So I just love the way the handle look. And then Hunter breaks out his flashlight and does one of these bad boys. And let's see. You know what? I gotta turn this off, I guess. But some of you guys will poo-poo it. But it does have like a glow in the dark feature. Maybe not anymore. What's up? I thought it did. Oh, Michael. You guys want to see it? Let me see. I'll do it. I'll do it. You guys are gonna hate it. Some of you guys hate this glow in the dark shit, but you know. Hang on. Reaching out for the lamp. There. Very subtle. So just a very subtle glow to it. Some of you guys will hate it. Unnecessary, I know. But whatever. That's just a bonus. I love the knife already. Just the way it looked. And again, influenced by the Bandit with his new love for chef knives and kitchen knives and something that we can actually use every day. So yeah, I bought this bad boy, and he also had these little fixies, probably about the size of this. And I was going to buy it. Very humble young man. Check him out. Check out his Facebook. Check out his Instagram. Spotlight on the new knife maker. I mean, this, folks, was $375 for a Sanmai blade. He knows it's cheap. Might be the time to get in on him because he's fairly new. Now, I'm not going to say he's fairly new. He's been making knives for a while, but he's new to the social media. So he knows he's just trying to get his name out there. That's exactly what he told me. That's why he's making the his knives more affordable, priced better. And yeah, which I think is a brilliant plan. Good job, Hunter. Him and his girlfriend also make like hot sauce. The Bandit already knew what hot sauce they were talking about. Big fan already. But anyway, a quick boning knife video for you guys. Just look at the contouring. Just really gorgeous. And you can see the layering of the Sanmai on the back of the spine. Just really excellent work there by Hunter. He's definitely got a bright future. Check out his Instagram if you want to check out some of his other work. Alright guys, that's the Hunter Yannotti boning knife. Peace.